Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So in this video I'll be going to tell you why the gold prices are so high and why people are investing so much in the gold, and I will tell you with the help of a chart how you can see how you can invest in the gold. As you can see in the chart, you can see that the trend is going high. As we know that the gold, people are buying so much that the value of the gold is going high. But as you look in a long term perspective, the futures of the gold is looking a little bit as it is has reached a high point. So what we have to do is we have to go a little bit of technical way. And how you can go on technical way, as you can see the chart, the gold price is continuously going high. See, first of all, in the period of around 3-4 months it didn't go that much high, but after breaking some point it has gone so high. So I'll show you. See, at period of this period you can see the line. In this period of time, the the gold price limited itself, means it was in that particular range itself. But after that, resistance means a point where it has gone up, broke the point and then gone up. So that is called resistance. So it has break the point and then it had reached up. So what we have to do is we too have to do this. So let's see, it's creating a triangle shape, and then after breaking the point it has reached up. So what we'll do, will not invest at this particular point of time because it has already broke a point. And one more thing, whenever price of any share or anything goes up, it does not go directly up, it fluctuate. That means it create a pattern of V or A shape. That means it will go up, it will come down a little, and then it will up. So in this particular thing it has already did that and have crossed a resistance point. So as you can see in the chart, it has gone up. So that we have to understand. Okay, investing just to invest is not a thing. What we have to look, see, as you can see the support and resistance. Support is something which is a lower point where it is not breaking that point, while resistance is the topmost point where it is not going up. So this is support and resistance. So what you have to understand in this, that a resistance point, it has already broken and has moved up. So we have to wait at a particular point. And you can see in the top I have shown you that after that point, if it create a U pattern or V pattern, then we can think of investing. See, these are few points which you have to understand. It has already broke that point. So we'll understand this frame of mind when it will come a little down. Okay, and a V shape, as if we have shown, I have shown you in that particular support and resistance point. So once it will break that point, resistance point, you can see, and then you can invest. That will be a better point to invest. See, the trend is going up, no doubt, but what we can do, we can save a bit of, so that as the market is reconciliating, so investing in gold as of now, but just wait for that particular moment and then you can invest if you want to. This is my point of view, and rather is rest up to you than how you can invest. But this point of my point of view, see, it is already on high, so it will reconciliate a little bit and then it will go high. So what you can do, just wait for some time. When it will create a U shape or it will come to the resistance point, then you can buy, as it can break a high level and the trend is already high. People are investing in it, yes, it is investing, but I feel, let's see the chart, let's see technical and the future things of the gold prices. so that we can invest in it. So the thing, I just told you what it is, that investing in gold is a right point, but the trend is has already reached high. So what we can do is we can wait for some point of time. That means once after reaching point, it will reconciliate and create a v-shaped pattern. Once the v-shaped pattern is created, you can create a resistance support. As you can see, I have already created in that point. Once it crosses the resistance level, then you can buy. This is what my advice is. And yes, the prices are going high, and it can create a new high as well. So if you think you can invest, you want to invest, you can invest in the gold prices, or you can think for long term point of view and you can buy the gold. As long view will be very nice for them, very good. So if you like my channel, please subscribe it. If you want my new videos notification, please press the bell icon. Thank you.